so voluntarily, no charges will be placed against you. If you remain in the roadway, for disorderly conduct, officer to the prison.
Hello everybody, it's 5:30 in NYC, June 2nd. We out here with the protest. The whole gang with me today, baby.
No justice, no peace. Fucking racist ass police.
Wow. Don't shoot! 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 All right, guys, 6:45. Been out here for like an hour, probably. A little more than that.
You're staying after 8?
I will be here after 8 just to see what goes down. I don't even know what that. Where are we? Anyone know where we are?
We're at the corner of Central Park.
Oh shit. Okay. Oh yeah, we're out by Central Park. So yeah, we're just gonna keep walking, keep chanting, and we will meet you guys at. I don't even know where we're going. Honestly, we're just going with the flow. Yeah. Big ears in NYC. We'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, bro, that's a lot of people.
Peaceful protest! 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 Take a knee.
Let's get the knee, guys.
Quit your job. 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 Quit your
Right. Let's be peaceful, so as I say that we always going out for war, right? We rioters, right? Look, this is such a crazy riot. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, you guys are really fucking up this place.
10 minutes till curfew, and everybody is headed towards the Trump Tower, which we just left. 8 o'clock.
That rat guy was pretty cool.
The curfew is now in effect.
I did not know he had free drink water.
We'll see what's good.
God be with you!
I believe we're headed uptown.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Good looks, Chris. No peace! No peace! No peace! Don't run! Don't run!
Somebody tell us stop calling me!
What's his name? George Floyd. 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 What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Thank you.
These feds got Times Square blocked off. Crazy.
Grace! Hey girl, come on! Yo girl! Yo girl! Let's go. Grace!
Can't even walk freely in NYC. Alright, we made it back somehow.
Made it back. I don't know how we did that, so...
Yeah.
Put your hands up! 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 Put your hands up!
It's time. It's time. Yo, we in the wall. Yo, Lang! Yo, you flip!
Alright guys, it's 10:30 now and shit's getting crazy. Fights are breaking out, people are breaking into buildings, smashing glass, knocking things over. It's causing a ruckus, bro. It's peaceful all day until the goons came out to play. It looks like it's all gangsters too, honestly. It's snowing, it's all just goons, bro. It's fucked up. Throwing up gang signs and shit. Smoking blunts on top of the car, bro. What's good? Let them know what's good, bro. Let them know what's good.
NYPD, Black Lives Matter. I'm doing this for George Floyd. No justice, no peace.
My man's got the police radio. Damn. Look at that, bro. There is no glass there. Why are you gonna rob a FedEx? Why are you robbing a FedEx, bro? What's the point, man? Ow, there's still glass there. What the fuck?
This is not shit either.
Oh, what's in that Nike box?
Fucking Starbucks, bro. Your Starbucks just ruined. Empty boxes all over here. I don't get it till like...
Damn.
Yo, they are chasing us!
If you could make it home, if you can get us home, we will come with you.
You guys throw $5.
Yeah, no worries, bro. Hell yeah.
Well, they said that they closed the tunnels, but I'm assuming that they didn't close
Oh,
it
no, it's probably to Brooklyn. That's probably it.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right, so let's
Why do they all?
They push you in?
They all are hitting the sirens as soon as they pass us. All right, guys, it's 11:35, and we are heading home. Thanks to these nice people that we met from Jersey, right in the area, same county as us. So we're all squadding up, and we're heading home. So hope you guys enjoyed this madness, because I really didn't enjoy it that much. It was kind of crazy and kind of fucked up. So till the next one.